Guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to stop the problem of your photos not deleting in your gallery. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you know, there's a recently deleted photo on your iPhone, so be sure to delete photos from there as well. But let's get started. Open your photos album, and you can see that when I delete some pictures, then there can be a problem of it not deleting again and showing up in my gallery. So to fix this problem, we'll go to the settings menu and go down to your photos option. It's a little bit down in your iOS, so scroll a little bit down to find the application. After you found the application, click on it. And on versions of iOS that has iOS 12 or below, there is an option of to your photo stream, but I want you to turn this off option in your iOS. It can be found under your shared albums on the top. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any comments or you have any questions, then leave it on the comment box below. I'll see you in the next one.